Hey, J.R. Feland here with my pal Duke. Hey, we're doing the leadership series here and leadership workshops. And here today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the word respect. And in regards to employees, right, or your followers, do your employees respect you? And when you're training horses, how it works is the equation is this. It's respect equals the appropriate response to your pressure. And do your employees, do they respect you? Do they appropriately respond to your pressure? Or sometimes does it kind of feel like this when you're trying to move your employees? Come on, employee, move. Come on, man, get moving, get moving. So you can see there, it gets kind of rough, right? And you can see I had to put my back into it, get my legs underneath me, right? And what we're going to do out here is we're going to train you that when you move a horse, you can move them just with one finger, just even pointing at them. You can see here, I didn't even touch the horse actually with the finger. But we're going to show you, we're going to train you how to do this with the horse, and then we're going to have you parallel this to the human employees and teach you how to do these things. So anyway, love to have you come out here and watch us do this, and appreciate you watching. Okay, so now we're going to tell you how we do this with the horses. And how we do this is there's a process, and you have to be consistent with your process. So with my hand here, I'm going to give you the levels here. We first have as little as pressure as possible, and then you increase those levels until you do as much as necessary. So, and this is something that the horses understand, right? This is how they communicate with each other in the herd. So as it translates to the human side of things, is you first ask a human to do something. If they do it, great. If they don't, then you have to increase the pressure. You increase it to the tell. If they do it at the tell, great. But if they don't, then you're going to have to increase that pressure to insisting. And this is a condition that we do over and over and over with the horses. And what I'm proposing is that this is something that you could pass on to your employees, where they understand your levels of pressures. And as you do this over and over and over again, ask, then tell, then insist, what will happen is that the horse, they don't want to get up to the insist level, that high level, and neither do you. And so what will happen is that they will eventually only do it at the ask or the tell, and then maybe just at the ask. And then later on in our workshops, we're going to show you how to do it with even less pressure than asking. Maybe if you just think about it, and then they would do it. Now here's another example of me doing this with another horse here, but what happens is you condition this pressure response with your folks. Is your people, your employees, your followers, they don't want to have to get to the insist level either, right? Neither do you, right? And so they will avoid that at all costs. And so if you are consistent enough in your levels of pressure and they know what to expect, you're not going to have to do this again with your employees, right? And have to keep pushing them because they don't know what to expect. What's going to happen is you're going to do this. You're going to want to go. You're going to point to where you want to go. And then you're going to say, let's go. We're doing some leadership workshops out here, half day and full day leadership workshops. Hope to have you come out and enjoy some horse riding, some cowboy poetry. You can come out to our place and do the workshops, or I can come to your place of work and do the workshops, or we're doing virtual events also. We'll leave you some details here at the end of the video with all that. But what our goal is with this is to show you some horse training exercises and how those things can help kind of open your mind to some different ways to lead people and some better ways to lead people. Hope you enjoy. Sadly, Rio probably wouldn't be going with me to your place of work though, or whatever, so sorry Rio, you don't get to go with us. Thanks guys.